and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Keto Zucchini or Courgette Pancake. Really simple to do, tastes amazing, great for a light lunch or as an easy side. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's gluten free and grain free. Let's get started. We've got some zucchinis here. We're just going to grate those zucchinis. There's 500 grams of them and we're going to squeeze all of the moisture out of them. Don't tip that moisture away. You can use it in soups or stocks or stews. Plenty of vitamins in that as well. Okay, don't discard these little end bits that are getting too close to your fingers. You just got to chop those up roughly with a knife at the end. It grates very, very easily. You could use a food processor if you like, but it doesn't take very long. Use a mandolin that actually grates it on each stroke, the up and the down stroke. So that's quicker again. The zucchini is a low carb vegetable and we're using coconut flour as our binding medium with our large eggs. Got some cream cheese. I've just softened that slightly in the microwave, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to get along with. Okay, to a mixing bowl we add our eggs, our cream cheese, vegetable salt, onion powder, mix that all around. Add our grated parmesan cheese now. Parsley, that's really coarsely chopped. Coconut flour. Don't add our baking powder to the last thing. We don't want it to start activating at this stage. It'll give some lightness to our little pancakes. Freshly cracked pepper, as much or as little as you like. Okay, now we're going to squeeze the moisture out of our zucchini and pop it into there. You could use a nut bag or a piece of muslin to do this, but hands will do an adequate job. These are perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Okay. That's a fair amount of liquid that would potentially make our pancakes quite soggy. We're going to use that in a soup later. Okay, we're going to dispense with our whisk now. Sprinkle our baking powder over the top and fold that all in. We've got some melted butter here. We've got a pan which is heating at the moment. It's actually on a medium heat. We're going to tip in half of our butter and we're going to dispense this mixture into the fry pan with an ice cream scoop and then just flatten it all out. Cook it about 3 or 4 minutes on each side and turn it over carefully. Now it needs lots of butter to set it all up, and before that salt starts withdrawing even more moisture out of that zucchini, we will get it onto our fry pan or griddle. Half of our butter goes in now. And with a scoop, press it out. Put it in an egg ring if you want to, but you don't need to. They're nice and rustic, but there's little crunchy pieces on the outside. Okay, after 4 minutes, we're just going to carefully flip these over. Okay, it's time to grab our little pancakes out now. Sprinkle some spring onions over the top, crack a pepper. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's Keto Zucchini Pancakes. And then we just put the rest of the butter in the pan, because you need lots of butter for this because of the cheese content, and then we'll cook the balance. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's Keto Zucchini Pancakes. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe. Do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. A little taste, shall we? Creamy, savoury, cheesy, and delicious. And great with a bowl of nice soup. Thanks for watching.